गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं डिस्कशन करेंगे लाइफ प्रोसेस फॉर क्लास 7 का ये चैप्टर एमसीक्यू। तो हम अभी से सॉल्व करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज लाइफ प्रोसेस। तो इसका ऑप्शन है स्लीपिंग ओनली, रेस्पिरेशन, प्लेइंग, रीडिंग। तो इसका राइट आंसर है रेस्पिरेशन, बी। विच प्रोसेस प्रोवाइड एनर्जी टू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। इसका ऑप्शन है फोटोसिंथेसिस, रेस्पिरेशन, डाइजेशन, रिप्रोडक्शन। तो इसका आंसर है बी, रेस्पिरेशन। विच गैस इज एसेंशियल फॉर एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। तो इसका ऑप्शन है नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन। तो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन के लिए हमें ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत होती है। तो इसका आंसर है सी, ऑक्सीजन। द प्रोसेस ऑफ taking food into food is called, the food is taken inside the mouth is the process is known as irrigation। तो इसका ऑप्शन जो है सी, irrigation is the right answer। in which nutrient is the main source of energy। ऑप्शन है प्रोटीन, फैट, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड विटामिन्स। तो राइट आंसर है कार्बोहाइड्रेट। कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी। Green plant prepare food by option है respiration, photosynthesis, digestion, excretion। The right answer is photosynthesis, B। Chlorophyll is present in option है roots, stem, leaves, flower। तो right answer is leaves। Which gas is released during the photosynthesis। तो during photosynthesis ऑक्सीजन इज रिलीज। तो राइट आंसर इज ए, ऑक्सीजन। विच गैस इज एब्जॉर्ब ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस। ऑप्शन ए ऑक्सीजन, बी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सी नाइट्रोजन एंड डी हीलियम। तो राइट आंसर इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज ऑब्जर्व ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस, बी। द टिनी पोर्स ऑन लीव आर कॉल्ड ऑप्शन ए वेन्स, बी स्टोमेटा, सी जाइलम, डी फोलियम। द आंसर इज स्टोमेटा, बी। व्हाट इज एब्जॉर्ब मेनली बाय। ऑप्शन ए स्टेम, लीव्स, सी रूट हेयर, डी फ्लावर। तो ऑप्शन सी रूट हेयर इज द राइट आंसर। विच पिगमेंट ट्रैप्स सनलाइट। ऑप्शन ए होमोग्लोबिन, बी क्लोरोफिल, सी मेलामाइन और डी केराटिन। तो राइट आंसर इज बी, क्लोरोफिल। विच इज नॉट अ रॉ मटेरियल फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो ऑप्शन ए वाटर, बी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सी सनलाइट एंड डी ऑक्सीजन। The right option is oxygen, D, because D is oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. The food prepared by plant is stored mainly as the food prepared by plant in the form of starch. Answer B is right answer. Which iodine test confirm stars? When option A is blue, black color, red color, C green color, D yellow color। तो when iodine test is carried in the presence of alcohol, then color of the star become blue black color। Option A is right। Animals depend on plants because option A plants provide oxygen and food, B plant move faster, C plant reproduce quickly, D plant digest food। तो because plants provide oxygen and food to the animals, तो right answer is A is right। Organisms that make their own food are called। The plants is only is a organism that makes own food, that's why it is known as autotrophs। So right answer is C, autotrophs। Which organism is heterotrophs? A grass, B mango tree, C humans, D algae। The right answer is C, human। Cascata is an example of A. Saprophytes, B. Parasites, C. Autotrophs, D. Insectivorous plant. So Cacata is parasite. The right answer is B. Parasite. Mushroom is option A. Parasite, B. Saprophytes, C. Autotrophs, D. Producer. Mushroom is saprophytes, which depends on dead and decaying animals or plants. Lichen show A. Competitions, B. Symbiosis, D. Predation, D. Parasitism. So lichen is the right answer. B. Symbiosis. Rhizobium bacteria help plants by producing oxygen, B. fixing nitrogen, C. making flower, D. absorbing sunlight. So rhizobium plants or bacteria help in fixing the nitrogen. The right answer is B. Pitcher plants obtain nitrogen from option A. soil only, B. insect, C. water, or D. air. So pitcher plants are grown in which area where lack of nitrogen. So the right answer is it obtain nitrogen from the insect. So B is the right answer. Digestion begins in mouth. The right answer is 24 B. Saliva contains option A. pepsin, B. amylase, C. lipase, D. trypsin. The right answer is amylase, B. The food pipe is also called option A. trachea, B. esophagus, C. intestine, D. larynx. The right answer is B. esophagus. Most digestion is completed in A. mouth, stomach, small intestine, D. large intestine. The answer is C. small intestine. Which organ produces bile? A. stomach, B. pancreas, C. liver, and D. kidney. Answer is C. liver. Bile is stored in the option A. gallbladder, kidney, B. C. pancreas, and D. heart. The right answer is A. gallbladder. Digested food is absorbed in A. large intestine, B. small intestine, C. stomach, D. mouth. The right answer is B. small intestine. Finger-like projection in the small intestine are A. nephrons, B. villi, C. alveoli, D. stomata. The right answer is villi, B. Which organ absorbs most water? Liver, large intestine, stomach, D. pancreas. The right answer is B. large intestine. Undigested food is removed through A. kidney, B. lungs, C. anus, D. skin. Right answer is C. anus. Respiration occur in leaves only, A. B. animals only, C. all living cells, D. roots only. The right answer is C. all living cells. Which process release carbon dioxide? A. photosynthesis, B. respiration, C. germination, D. pollination. Right answer is B. respiration. Plants expire A. only during a day, B. only at night, C. day and night, D. never. Right answer is C. day and night. The breathing organ is fish is A. lungs, B. skin, C. gills, D. spiracles. Answer is C. gills. Frogs breathe through A. lungs only, B. skin and lungs, gills only, spiracles. Right answer is skin and lungs, B. Insect breathe through A. gills, spiracles, C. skin, D. lungs. Right answer is B. spiracles. The waste removal process is called A. digestion, B. respiration, C. excretion, D. circulation. The right answer is C. excretion. Which organ filter blood? A. heart, B. liver, C. kidney, D. lungs. Right answer is C. kidney. urine is stored in the A. kidney, B. ureter, C. urinary bladder, D. urethra. Answer is C. Urinary bladders. Which life process help in growth and repair? A. nutrition, B. excretion, C. respiration, and D. movement. The right answer is respiration. 44. Which of the following is not a life process? Respiration, nutrition, reproduction, and playing cricket. D. The right answer is D. playing cricket. Energy released during the respiration is stored in A. DNA, B. ATP, C. RNA, D. chlorophyll. Right answer is ATP. B. Which process occur only in green plant? Respiration, photosynthesis, excretion, D. growth. The right answer is B. photosynthesis. Which life process remove harmful waste? A. respiration, B. excretion, D. nutrition, D. reproduction. Right is excretion. B. Which life process transport food and oxygen in humans? A. digestion, B. circulation, C. respiration, D. excretion. The right answer is circulation. B. The main function of heart is to digest food. A. B. pump blood, B. C. filter food, D. produce bile. The right answer is B. pump bloods. आज का यही MCQ समाप्त हुआ. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और फॉलो करें.